Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The King and His Army. A moral story: one's worth and merit should always be recognized. Once, a king had just finished fighting a war with the enemy. He was tired, but he decided to pay his army before returning to his palace. The general was paid well, but the soldiers received less money. However, the soldiers did not complain. Next, the king ordered, "Feed the horses well. What is left, feed to the donkeys." The workers obeyed his command. The horses were fed well. A little horse feed was left and fed to the donkeys. The donkeys were hungry. They started braying. The donkeys brayed till the king could not bear it. His advisor said, "The donkeys worked as hard as the horses, but got tasteless leftover horse food. Like the foot soldiers, who deserved more, but got less." The king understood. He rewarded everyone on merit, not just rank. He called all the soldiers and gave them gold coins for helping him win the war.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.